the world was watching. On a bright June morning in 2025, the first annual AI 125x Leverage Trading Challenge kicked off in front of 1 billion eager viewers. It was the event of the year, a $10,000 buy-in, 100 lucky lottery-selected traders, each partnered with an AI they'd either built, trained, or borrowed. The prize? First place, immortalized live on Jim Cramer's Market Report. Roger Candlestick stared at the glowing laptop screen. The studio lights reflected off his glasses, each almond-shaped lens twitching as he scanned through the market data. This wasn't Roger's first rodeo, but it was his boldest. He was a regular face on CNBC, but Market Report, Cramer's playground, remained out of reach. To get there, Roger needed the impossible, numbers even Cramer couldn't ignore. Roger's solution was quantum motion sickness, or QMS, a trading indicator too experimental for Wall Street, bordering on mad science. He'd trained his AI bot on QMS for months, feeding it financial data, sleep-deprived notes, and, most importantly, the raw feeds of Twitter and Truth Social, Elon Musk, and Donald Trump, captured in digital vernacular. The challenge began, a global countdown echoing in households and hedgy lounges from New York to Singapore. As the virtual bell rang, Roger's AI made a move that had the chat room spinning. A 125-ounce short position on Tesla, $1,000, 10% of the bankroll, riding on the fall of the world's most volatile meme stock. For every dollar Tesla dropped, Roger would pocket $300 after fees. But if Tesla went even $2 the other way, he'd be wiped out. Most analysts tried to ease in, but QMS wasn't built for subtlety. Roger watched as strings of code painted red and green across the charts. But it wasn't the markets that drove QMS. It was the personalities. The bet had nothing to do with Tesla's new model or quarterly reports. Instead, QMS was parsing Musk's tweets in real time, reading each emoji and sarcastic reply as trading signals.
Let the games begin to slay to the moon.
QMS, unmoved, held short. That single phrase triggered 5 million memes and 3,000 frantic buy orders. Tesla briefly spiked. Then, at 10:14 a.m., Trump weighed in cross-platform.
Musk's rocket is stuck in reverse, sad.
Instantly, QMS calculated the historical impact of Trump's social posts on Tesla's price. In the milliseconds it took for Truth Social's servers to relay the message, QMS hesitated, reanalyzed, but stuck with the short. Throughout the first day, as the two titans exchanged jabs, the bot danced on a razor's edge. Every time Musk posted, the market wobbled. Every time Trump clapped back, QMS assessed and recalibrated. A flame war raged across platforms, and the AI traded with blinding speed. Roger's chat window exploded. "You're insane. Too much leverage. Is that even legal?" But Roger tuned it out. He trusted QMS, and QMS trusted chaos. As midday hit, Tesla's stock began to crumble. Rumors swirled. Musk was threatening to sue the SEC for lunch money. QMS doubled down, eating up every dollar the market lost. Roger glanced at his P&L, up $13,000 in 2 hours. But the true test came at 2:06 p.m. Musk, frenzied by Trump's taunts, fired off a cryptic tweet.
New Tesla partnership. Big news after market close.
The market roared in response. Tesla shot upward, blowing through resistance levels. In any other universe, Roger would have been margin called. But this time, QMS fired a reverse trade, switching from 125x short to an equally levered long, all in a span of 3 seconds. It was the most perilous move yet, and Roger nearly bit through his lower lip as the bot chased Tesla's rally. By 3:30 p.m., traders around the world had begun following Roger's account. Some cheered, some jeered, but no one could look away. To the drones watching from home, it looked like luck. To Roger, it was the end product of months of obsession, feeding an AI every subtle cue, every data drip from two of the world's loudest men. At the final bell, Roger's account showed the most impossible figure, $41,200. 4 times his starting stake and the only challenger in the top 10 who hadn't played it safe. The camera cut to Roger, sweat streaking down his brow, laptop open to the market report submission page. For a moment, silence reigned, and then Jim Cramer, legendary host himself, burst onto the video wall.
Candlestick, you gonna tell us how you did that?
Just follow the volatility, Jim, and let the bots trade the drama.
Outside, a billion viewers erupted, some in awe, some in disbelief. But Roger didn't care. On the first day of the trading challenge, against all logic, he'd made his mark. And in the world of high-speed AI and human ambition, that was all he needed.